welcome back to Pretty Meg Meg. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because you are gonna be getting a lot of pretty videos. So the title says it all: basic and affordable beginner friendly makeup routine. This is the final look. So if you want to know how I got this with affordable makeup product, then stay tuned, grab a popcorn, and let's get into the video.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
So I jumped right into the video, so I'm just brushing up my brows. Now I'm adding some brows gel to make sure getting that shape. Afterwards, I'm going in with my dark eye pencil and I'm just marking the spot, making it so beginner friendly. Just marking the spot. Now I'm going in, shining it all up. It's so beginner friendly. Like if you don't know how to draw your brows, this is a beginner friendly video. Easy way to draw your brows. Now I'm just blending it all up so that it looks smooth and cute. Now I'm done blending it. I'm going in with my concealer. I'm lining it all up with my concealer so that it can be easy instead of me just taking on the brush. So while putting concealer on your brows, you should not be afraid of it touching your lashes. That's why you have mascara. That's why you have mascara to shine the lashes after everything. Now I'm just clearing on my brows. Oh, look at that, so cute. So beginner friendly. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up, please. Now I am blending the rest over my eye, blending the rest over my eyelid, making sure it is well blended with a different flat brush. I'm going in with my foundation. I make sure to put a bit on my hands because you don't want to get nasty up there, you know what I'm saying? So just put a bit on your hand and tap the brush in it to get it all smooth. Now I'm clearing over my brows, getting it in that cute little minimalist shape. All done with the brows. Now I'm going in with my foundation. I'm just tapping it on my face because you don't want to put much as a beginner, and I also want to let you know that when it comes to makeup, little is much, so you don't want to put much, foundation. So I'm going over it with my small brush because I don't want to dirty my hairband. So but it's all good, you know what I'm saying? If you don't have a hairband, you can just go with the same big brush. Now I'm going with my concealer, same concealer from Pro, and I'm just using this easy concealer hack, a very easy concealer hack from 2022 concealer hack. So you can just follow the same routine and make sure not to do too much is not good for the face, you know what I'm saying? Now put some on the nose so as to get the nose in shape. Now I'm blending it in with my beauty blender. I'm just tapping it. I'm not like spraying it. No, I'm just tapping. And as for honor, I'm brushing it. I'm tapping it underneath so as to get that cute face here. You know what I'm saying? As for the nose, just tap it. Pressing it and tapping it. So once you are done tapping, you can just go with your brush and get it all in place, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm using my small brush up there same reason, because I don't want to get my beautiful pink hairband dirty, you know what I'm saying? Okay. So afterwards, I am going for contouring. I'm going to contour my face, put where the contour need to be placed around the face, and as well as something like that. That's how to contour as a beginner. Make sure you contour around your face like that, and then your nose, contour your nose. Nose contouring is very important because it also gives the shape of your face. You know, the nose. Once the nose is beautifully contoured, it makes it, and it just changes your face, you know what I'm saying? After contouring, I'm just going to blend it up. I'm not blending it with my whole face, I'm just nagging it, nagging it and giving it a few rub just so you can stay in that particular site, you know what I'm saying? And then as for the up area, I'm just going to be pushing it in my hair. And that I'm going to bring it downwards. Now I am going in with my setting powder. I'm just going to set it where I put the concealer in the artist stuff. Now I'm saying, and then I'm going in to blend the contour that I put on my nose, so as to give my nose the shape. Okay, I'm blending it in, just a little stroke, but yeah, it looks so fast, but it's just a little stroke, so as not to get messy up, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm adding the same concealer, so as to get that position in the middle and the peak of the nose. Now it's time for me to add some blush. I am going with a lipstick, a red lipstick. Remember, this is a affordable beginner friendly, so you don't have to go and buy some expensive blush. I'm just going in with my red lipstick, and it's giving that popping look. Now I'm pressing the face powder that I put there for you to see. I'm pressing it into my skin. Now it's time for the lip. What I'm gonna do, my everyday lip liner, line my lips with the black lip liner, and I'm gonna fill it in with the brown lip liner to give you that soft girl look, you know what I'm saying? Now it was time for the eyeliner. Eyeliner is one of my favorite parts in makeup because it just adds a sparkle to the face. So if you guys want me to do an eyeliner tutorial, all you have to do is comment in the comment section and I will show you the easiest way I get my eyeliner done. I'm not pro in it though, but like this way you are gonna be able to get it real quick. Now it was time for me to add some mascara because I wasn't using the lash today. So mascara is just gonna get my lash to where I want it to be. Now it was time for the lip. I go ahead and add in my pink lip gloss from there, my white lip gloss. And oh my gosh, look at this. Not forgetting to add my beauty mark, and I was done. Like boom. Look at this face. Just look at this face. It's so beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.